Hi everyone, today we are installing this light finally, and the reason that this got bumped up in priority is because of... I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years, and are currently renovating our 3rd house, with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure. So I sent the kids down to clean the playroom today, and this is what they did instead. That is styrofoam all over on the walls, on the railing, on those stairs.
It keeps going down.
More styrofoam all over the door. Oh my gosh, you guys! No! They moved the couch. They covered the beanbag. So that's not a good idea, huh? All over the floor. They got this styrofoam out of the light that we've been wanting, well, that we've been waiting to hang up. So there's still more styrofoam in there. I'm betting that that light gets hung up tonight. Maxwell got a hold of a piece of styrofoam today. It had to have been more than one piece of styrofoam. I'm not even sure what he had,
But the other kids assured us it was just Max. It was only Max that did it. Even though they all had styrofoam in their hair.
And I literally saw Lincoln smashing up a piece.
Yeah.
What can you do? So anyway, we're gonna get this hung up and get the styrofoam out of our house for good.
Only grab the bottom edges or top edges. We'll call it 9.
Like this. It's so much bigger than I thought it would be.
6 inches. Oh crap!
Can you tell? You okay?
I just almost broke the bulbs.
Ooh. You alright? Need
Yeah.
help?
You might want to come here and steady it, I suppose. Just don't let it fall. Alright, I'm gonna go take 5.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
You almost have it. There, you have one. Almost. You can see it. There you go. You have one.
Which way does it go?
Just the top, the one closest that way. Just oh, you scared me. It's okay. Just go a hair towards you on the furthest one. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell if that's straight or not.
Honestly, it looks like it's like this to me. Yeah.
I'm gonna lift this up. You just move the ladder, okay?
Okay. It's huge. I think we're not really going to be able to tell if it's too big until we get the table in here. Man, that is so much bigger than I thought it would be.
It's way big.
Let me see what it looks like from down here. I don't feel like it looks crazy from down here. Like if you have a table under it.
It takes up a whole room, woman.
So, not to be really
One of these things? Yeah. Good job. I don't know.
That was really close though, actually. Really, really close. Nope. Okay, it's ready to shoot. You aiming? Good job, Link.